ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters. Welcome to Itqan ElQuran.com. Noor al-Bayan. Today we'll do waw sakgira, short waw. Sakgira in Arabic means little or short. That's waw sakgira, still waw second and the preceding letter with dhamma. So now we have hu sound. Woo, su, u. Note that has to be prolonged twice. Note that it's waw sakgira is the same as waw mad. Let's read some Quranic words or some verses or some sentence from Quran. Now, woo, waw with dhamma, followed by waw saghira. It gives long sound. Woo, riya, woo, riya. Da, that's alif mad. Woo, which is waw mad, which is waw saghira with the same as waw mad, so has to be prolonged twice. Woo, da, woo, then do. داوود. Here we have ha ضمير المفرد المذكر الغائب, have of a masculine pronoun, and this is for singular, it's not plural. It's only for one, singular, not plural. Is مذكر, is masculine, is not feminine, and he is not with us, he is absent, he's not. I'm not talking with him face to face, he is not with us, so it's غائب. هاء ضمير المفرد المذكر الغائب comes vowel between two vowel letters. هاء is with dhamma, the preceding letter is not second, it's with fatha. The following letter is with fatha, which is meme. So this has to be stretched twice to produce waw. له, that's why it's the same as waw mad. له ما في. That mad is called mad sila, but is not its time today. Today we'll do the يعني just waw saghira, just to let you know that you need to make it longer. But the reason it's for theoretical tajweed, maybe later on, inshallah, in the coming lessons in our channel, inshallah, on YouTube. Itqan ElQuran. So lahu ma, alif mad, fi is ya mad. So waw saghira longer, alif mad is longer, ya mad is longer. Lahu ma fi, ma'ahu fi, khalaqahu wa bada'a ma'ahu أخاه فوكزه موسى. جزاكم الله خيرا.